How to write a check. When writing a check, always put the current date in the top right corner. Use the exact date you are writing the check, not a future date, because banks may process it immediately. After writing the date on a check, fill in the recipient's name and the amount you wish to pay. Then, sign the check to authorize the payment. After signing the check, record the payment details in your check register or banking app to keep track of your spending. Double-check all the information on the check for accuracy. Finally, give the check to the recipient or mail it if necessary. After you've given or mailed the check to the recipient, keep an eye on your bank account to make sure the check is processed and clears. If the check isn't cashed within a reasonable time, follow up with the recipient to confirm they received it. Always keep your checkbook and banking information secured to prevent unauthorized use. Knowing how to write a check is important because some transactions, such as paying rent or certain bills, may still require checks instead of electronic payments. It also helps you manage your finances responsibly by keeping accurate records of your spending.